So, are you a person who has a book in mind? Or you are that person who has written a book, so you have your manuscript ready? Or you've written a book, but you want to convert it from a plain old paperback book to an audiobook? What about you? Do you need a side hustle, a side gig, freelance work, whatever you call it, so that you'll be able to make some extra money? Do you know how to narrate and want to be able to read books and get paid for it? Well, then this course is for you. With 3 books to my name, I will be teaching you how to publish your book and to convert that book from a paperback book or an ebook to an audiobook. If you're ready, sign up for this course. Hope to see you in my course. Don't forget to be awesome.